All right, this next segment might get you and the entire family hooked on science. Each week we're bringing science education right to you on Everyday Kentucky with our very own Jason Lindsey. Now, what are you doing today, Jason?
Jim, it has to do with spooky science. It is spooky season. Halloween's around the corner, isn't it?
It'll be here before you know it.
Leaves are already changing. I noticed that when I was over at the Red River Gorge not too long ago.
Oh, yeah, fantastic place to view them.
But these are some simple things that you can do at home. This is a goldenrod paper that I have in front of me here. It's something that you can order online, but it does something special. It'll bleed.
Special? Bleed for Halloween?
Yeah.
Now you got to prove it.
So how do I make the paper bleed?
Please tell me.
All you got to do is put your hand in this mystery ghost slobber over here.
I have to put my hand in there?
And I do too. So
okay.
What this paper does is, this is what makes it so unique. It's an indicator. So it's going to indicate if something is an acid or a base. So to say, the last inker's finger fell off, but nothing big. If it turns blood red, it is a base. If it stays this color, is an acid. So move your hand around, make sure you get some of that stuff on there.
Oh,
there
get
you
some
go.
of the white stuff that's in there. Okay.
Now what you're going to do is smack it down on there.
Just smack it?
Yeah, and leave it there. 3, 2, 1, lift up. Oh no, are you okay?
What's wrong with me, Jason? What's wrong with me?
Look at that, it splats as well. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So it's indicating that whatever you put on there is a base, because it's turning that blood red.
Yes, it is.
And that, excuse me, base is basically baking soda and water. Baking soda and water. So let me put my hand in it over here. I'm going to move it around just a little bit like that. And then smack it down. 3, 2, 1, lift it up, and there is the blood red handprint. My hand's really not bleeding, neither is yours.
Neither's mine.
Not at all.
It's all safe.
But it is just an indicator. It's a pretty cool science experiment you can do, and it splatters and all that fun stuff. Remember, kids should not eat or drink their science experiment. They should have an adult around before doing science and wear the appropriate safety gear. Okay, you're going to splash it again?
Oh, I just really like the way it felt in my hands.
Just baking soda and water. You got multiple handprints on there.
We're doing. I want to be artistic with this, with science.
We call that STEAM.
You
add the A in there.
There
it
you
goes
go.
from STEM to STEAM.
It does.
We are creating some art here. Baby bottle. Anybody here at the station cry a lot?
Oh yes. Oh yes. Martina, she cries a lot. She's always whining.
So this is a haunted baby bottle. Take a look at it. Does it look different than any other baby bottle?
No. Can I touch it too?
You can touch it,
because I want to inspect it. I mean, this looks completely normal. I mean, just a little Minnie Mouse bottle.
There's a spirit in there.
A spirit?
We got to activate the spirit. I have something over here called Alka-Seltzer. I'm going to let you drop those in when I open it up. Then we're going to screw it on, and I'm going to give it to you. And then you're just going to, I'm going to tighten it up, give it to you, and you're just going to shake it back and forth like that. Got it?
Okay.
And you'll watch the spirit be activated. Drop it in.
I'm dropping in 3 of those tabs.
3. Alka-Seltzer. When water hits Alka-Seltzer, it fizzes, it bubbles. Go ahead, move it back and forth.
So just move it back and forth, just like so. Okay.
Is the spirit activated yet? Do you notice anything?
I don't notice anything yet.
Keep shaking it. Sure, nothing's going on there.
You know, you would think that. The nipple. Why are you stepping back, Jason? Where are you going?
Okay, so we have the chemical reaction taking place.
Look at him. He's all the way back here.
And we are making it expand. Like that. And whoa. Launch the rubber part right across the studio. The spirit came out. We've released a ghost here.
Woo! The spirit can move, you people. The spirit.
It made you jump, right?
I didn't know what was about to happen.
So yeah, it shot out because the gas built up. When you add water to this, you get something new called carbon dioxide gas, and it made it expand, or the spirit activate.
To the spirit activated. Thank you, Jason.
Cool.
We're going to have more of these science experiments over the coming weeks, so make sure you tune in for all of those.